Well, hi there pluckers, Ivor Sorefingers again with you. Thanks indeed for joining me for a bit of a channel update. It's not an actual lesson, okay, so don't get your guitars out just yet. This is just to thank you all for your continued support. Some of you may have noticed that the channel has now just gone over the 10,000 subscribers mark, which is quite an achievement since it only came live in November last year. So it's doing very nicely, thank you very much. Second point, which is probably more important, you will see that, or you will notice over the next few days that I'm not posting any videos at the moment, and that's because I am changing over to decorating for a couple of weeks, okay? So I'm changing my guitar for a paint roller and paintbrush and some filler. I've got some serious decorating to do, okay, so you won't be seeing me posting videos for a while. I will be going on every day and checking my comments and everything, so I will be replying as necessary, as usual, but I just won't be doing any lessons, okay? So thanks very much, and I'll see you in a couple of weeks' time for hopefully some more lessons. That's my cat saying goodbye. So thanks for watching, see you soon, bye bye.